Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. For today's topic, I'll be teaching you how to fix the error message "Can't reach this page" on Windows 10 or 11. To start this tutorial, open Settings app on your computer. In the settings, open Network and Internet. Then go to Proxy. Turn on the button on the Automatically Detect settings, and after that, close the app and click on the search bar icon below and type in Control Panel, then open it. In the Control Panel, click on Network and Internet, then click Network and Sharing Center. Beside the connections, click the highlighted text like the Internet. Now in the pop-up, click Properties. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Now click the Obtain DNS Server Address automatically. Then click OK. After doing that, close all the programs and click again the search icon below, then search for CMD. Now run it as administrator. Type this command and hit enter. After doing that, go to the search bar once again and type in Device Manager. Open the app and then expand the network adapters. Right-click on it. Then choose Update Driver and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Now, after doing all of this, close all the windows and restart your computer. This should be able to fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.